four numbers are displayed in a row. First, second, third, fourth. Four numbers. The average of the first two numbers is 8. The average of the second and third number is 9. And the average of the third and fourth number is 12. Find the average of the first and the fourth number. Now, what they're saying is, first two numbers average is given as 8. So if you want to find the total of the first two, what is the sum of the first two numbers? We'll take 8 times 2. So that will be 16. Average of the second and third is 9. So sum of those two numbers will be 18. Okay, of the second and the third number, 18. Average of the third and fourth number is 12. So sum of those two numbers, 12 times 2, will be 24. Okay, so third and fourth, the sum of these will be 24. Now, I'm interested in finding the average of the first and the fourth number. So it'll be useful if you can find the total of these two. Because once you find the total of these two, you take the total, divide by 2, you can find the average. Okay, so our job, find the total of these two. Alright, so the way to approach that is to understand that all these sums of numbers are related to the four numbers. In fact, when we draw a model for the first number, second number, okay, for the second number and the third number, for the third number and also the fourth number, when we draw models, we will know the total of all these models. The total of this is 16, this 18, this 24. And remember, we are interested in 1 and 4. So we need to try and find a way to take away 2, 2 and 3 and 3. Alright, so what we can do is to add up all these numbers. Okay, so basically to add up 16 to 18 to 24. So when we do that, 16 plus 18 plus 24, we will get an answer of 16 plus 18 plus 24, 58. And 58 is the sum of all these models. Alright, so you have the first number, you have the second number happening twice, right? Because you added it twice. You have also the third number happening twice, right? Because you added it once and twice. And then you also have the last one, which is the fourth number over here. Okay, the beauty of this is you have the total, right? Which we have just calculated to be 58. And, my friends, and we are interested in 1 and 4. Which means we need to find a way again to take away these numbers here. Alright, so what is the sum of this part here? So take note, this question mark is actually this plus this times 2, because we have one more set here. Alright, so what is the second and the third number? What is the sum of the second and the third number? Is actually 18. Right, over here, look at this model here. So the question mark is not really a question mark. We can find it out. 18 times 2. Okay, which is equals to 36. So when we take 58 minus away 36, we will get the sum of the first and the fourth number. 58 minus 36, sum of the first and the fourth number, which is 22, and the average will be 22 divided by 2, 11. Okay, so 1 plus 4. First plus fourth number is 22, and since you want average, you take this 22 divided by 2 numbers to give you a final answer of 11.